see some bubbles. Put that down. Hold on, give me the fishing pole. I see some holes.
Timmy, we're not gonna fish right here.
That's just hole.
But we're not gonna fish right here.
Big fish is swim fast. You know we seen that sign that says alligators and snakes?
Mm-hmm.
What else down there?
Let's go down here by this bench. And we'll sit right there and fish.
So if I don't catch no fish over here, then we going on the dock, alright?
Huh?
If I don't catch no fish, I'm gonna go on the dock.
Okay.
Hey y'all, we back out fishing another time. We've been going fishing for 100 years, but that's in my dream stuff is to catch a bass. That's my dream. That's my dream. 'Cause I always wanted to catch a bass. Mom, look for some there. A seagull.
Where?
There's a seagull over there. They always want to be by the river. That's a seagull. Alright, we're gonna start going. Alright. Here we go. Now, last time when we was almost riding, I stick that hook in my mama's shirt.
So you guys, Timmy, he got Kool-Aid juice. I got cranberry grape drink.
Y'all, that boat was all the way over there.
Alrighty, y'all. So I'm not fishing today. I bought Timmy to fish, so
To make me have fun.
yep. So Timothy can have fun, and you got to cast out that way. And the gentleman's coming.
Fun on that boat?
Let's see, he got his little grandson with him. Look like the little boy with him. Say wave.
Not yet. I got a bass lure.
Did y'all catch anything? Oh, good. Timmy. That's not how you cast. Reel it. It's right here. You gotta do better than that. Leave it right there. Don't reel it all the way up. Now press the button and then throw it. Press the button. Use 2 thumbs. You ain't casting far enough.